Good morning dear students. Today we are discussing about the chapter plant increasing number. Our topic is how do farmers grow good and healthy crop. So what are the materials required to the growth of plants. So first of all, preparation of the soil. First one is the preparation of the soil. You have to prepare the soil in a good way. How you can prepare the soil? By the use of a plow. You have to do the plowing. Using the plow, you have to plow the soil. You have to level the soil in proper way. And after that, the next one is sowing. Sowing means you have to select good seeds. You have to select good seeds that should be matured and you have to sow in the field itself. Sowing means you have to select the good seeds. Then after that you have to sow it in the field. Okay, you have to put it to the soil. And next one is adding manure and fertilizers. The third one is adding manure and fertilizers. What do you mean by manure? Manure should be obtained in the field itself. Manure should be obtained in the field itself. So here, for example, vegetable waste, then cow dung, etc. We can say that coming to the category of manure. Okay, manure should be prepared in the field itself. So that is eco-friendly to us, that can decompose fastly into the soil and acting as a manure. Okay, next is the fertilizer. Fertilizer should be prepared in the factories. For example, NPK, sodium, potassium and phosphorus. Sodium, phosphorus and potassium. That is NPK. Okay. So example for fertilizer is NPK. Sodium, phosphorus and potassium. This should be added to the plant. Okay. After sowing the seeds, you have to add some manure and fertilizers to the soil. So here sowing means you already know you are putting seeds into the ground level. So that time when you sprinkle some water on it, they may grow into small saplings, isn't it? After the proper growth, then only you can add manure and fertilizers into the soil. Clear, students? So the adding manure and fertilizers. Fertilizers are to be prepared in the factories. Fertilizers are to be prepared in the factories. Okay. Next step is weeding. Weeding means unwanted plants should be removed in the field. So you already know that you are putting seeds and some means we can say tomato seeds you are putting to the soil, and after that proper growth you are adding some fertilizer or manure into that particular tomato plant. After that growth, some unwanted plants grow with these tomato plants. You have to remove the particular plant, otherwise this will means take the nutrients of the tomato plant. So tomato plants cannot grow properly. That is why you have to remove the unwanted plants. And next step is irrigation. Irrigation means giving water to the plants. Giving water to the plants. You have to give a proper amount of water to the plants. And after that growth, then only you can do the harvesting process. So once again I will tell you, the first stage is the preparation of the soil. You have to prepare the soil in proper way. After the summer season, when you go through the soil, there may be lot of cramps you can see. So that you have to till it properly. You have to level it properly, and after that you have to select good seeds that should be matured and you have to sow in the field. Okay, and after that the seed may grow into saplings. After that you have to add sufficient amount of manure and fertilizers into the soil. After that you have to add manure and fertilizers to the soil. Manure should be friendly to us. Okay, that is a vegetable waste, cow dung, etc. And fertilizers should be prepared in the chemical factories itself. Okay, so it should not be eco-friendly, but the proper growth of the plants we are adding nowadays fertilizers. Okay, and these fertilizers are NPK. N means sodium, P means phosphorus, and K means potassium. NPK. Clear? I think all of you understood today's class. Have a nice day.